Hi, I'm Josephine Yam, the CEO and co-founder of Skills4Good AI. We're thrilled to have you here. At Skills4Good AI, we believe in the power of learning together. By joining us, you're not just gaining knowledge, you're becoming part of a movement dedicated to making a meaningful impact through responsible AI. To get started, I encourage you to complete the Welcome Checklist. It's your guide to setting up your profile, introducing yourself, and diving into our vibrant community. This is your community. We host webinars, expert panels, and live discussions. Here you can connect with thought leaders and fellow members. Your input matters, so please let us know if you have any topic suggestions. We're here to ensure your learning journey is enriching and relevant. Our responsible AI curriculum is flexible. You can start with our 21-lesson crash course for a quick overview, or dive deeper with more than 120 lessons at your own pace. AI is evolving rapidly, so we provide regular updates to keep you informed and ahead. And your engagement is key. Make it a habit to check in regularly. Join discussions, participate in events, and share your insights. The more you engage, the more value you'll gain. Staying connected is how you'll continue to lead and thrive in this ever-changing world of AI. And we're here to support you every step of the way. Help is just a click away. By joining this community, you're investing in your growth. You're also contributing to our collective goal of using AI for good. We're excited to see all that you'll achieve. Let's get started.